Along quiet rivers and shining lakes, a flash of blue and orange catches your eye. A flash of blue lightning strikes the water. That's the kingfisher. Beautiful, quiet, and deadly precise. It waits without a single move. Minutes pass, and then it dives faster than your blink, catching fish with an accuracy no human could match. But here's the real secret. That stunning blue on its feathers, it's not color at all. It's light bending through microscopic layers, turning sunlight into shimmering magic. In many cultures, the kingfisher is known as the messenger of peace. It appears only where water is pure and calm, beautiful yet fierce. The kingfisher shows us that real power hides in silence. Follow for more mysterious truths from nature.